I'm Mary, and this is dazzling density. This here is Lexi, and she's going to tell you what density is.
Density is the degree compactness of a substance. Now we're going to tell you how to find density.
Hi, I'm back, and now this is Annika. She's going to tell you the equation for density.
Density is its mass divided by its volume.
Now we're going to calculate the mass of this brass cube. So you take the mass, which is 137.6, and divide it by the volume, which is an inch by an inch. So then you calculate that into centimeters, and then you find the volume, which is 6.4516. So you divide 137.6 divided by 6.4516. So you get 21.33, and that would be the density. Hi, I'm back, and now we're going to show you how density works. So here we have a beaker of water, and we have 3 density cubes. We have steel, which is a very high density because it's a heavy mass. They're all the same volume, but they're different masses, so that makes the density different. This is very dense, this is somewhat dense, and this is very, not dense. So we're going to drop them in the water. The steel I'm not going to drop because it's going to sink. So you drop it and it goes straight down to the bottom. But with the rosewood, it takes a little longer. And if you take the oak, it stays right at the top. The densities of all this, the oak is 0.6 to 0.95, and the rosewood is 0.9 to 1, and the steel is 7.8. Hi, now we're here with Alyssa, and she's going to be my assistant. Right now we're going to show how the water that is colored blue and the oil that is a little lighter in color the oil is less dense, so it's at the top, when the water is more dense, so it's at the bottom. And so if we shake this up, Melissa, do you want to shake that up? Now it's all mixed together. When we come back, it'll be separated, so the oil will be at the top and the water will be at the bottom. So after a few minutes of sitting, now the oil is back at the top and the water is back at the bottom because they're less dense, and the oil is less dense and the water is more dense. So they separate. We're back with Lexi, and she's going to tell us how density affects our everyday life.
Density affects us in shipbuilding, pipe designs, helium balloons, and the fact that ice floats on water.